Stop it! Lightning power! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Just stop it! Stop! No! Stop! What you doing here? Yeah, what you doing? Stop being scumbag. You mean stop doing this. I don't know, I'm just a lightning melon and I also am, so I could do what you do. I do not know. Okay, so. I think I got him. Did I? Yep. He did not die. Oh, yes I did. What are you talking about? I missed. But no, I did not. We are the champion, my friends. But this guy not letting me be a champion, so I smacked him. I'm immortal, but I feel a little pain. I think he's finally gone. No, it doesn't. I fly like a diamond. No, I don't fly like a diamond. Just stop doing this. You're doing this for just no reason. No. I'm not doing this for some reason. What do you mean? Stop it. Stop doing this. I could do what I can't do. Ouchie. Dodge. Smack! Backflip, 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 backflip. And immortal, and I could do whatever I want, and flashes kaboom. I could do what I can do. He's finally done. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. The fight should be over by now. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.